What could that be? Tiger Woods, Mozart. What could they possibly have in common? Those are like two very, very different people. Jack Nicklaus and Henry Ford. Jack Nicklaus and Henry Ford. What could they possibly have in common? Bruce Willis and Nikola Tesla? What, what could all these people possibly have in common? Here's to it, blows my mind. Mike Tyson and Albert Einstein. What could they possibly have in common? That's very strange. Let's see here. Sir Winston Churchill and Martha Stewart. I mean, just couldn't think of two people that are more different than that. Kate Middleton, James Earl Jones, and Nelson Mandela. What could they possibly have in common? What could it be? They all used hypnosis to improve their lives, to improve, let's see, inspiration, improve thinking, improve stress management, change behaviors, all that kind of stuff. That's amazing. Do you know someone, maybe someone famous or inspiring that used hypnosis? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. And I read all the comments. And, have you used hypnosis to improve your life? If so, leave a comment. I'd love to hear about it. All right. Let me tell you one more thing. If you would like to use hypnosis to improve your life, and you haven't done it already, go to calbanyan.com and maybe you could have sessions with me. I've done tens of thousands of hypnosis sessions with people all over the world, both in my office and online. You think you might like to become a certified professional hypnotist? I've been training people for over 20 years how to do hypnosis, and not just any old kind run-of-the-mill hypnosis, but 5-path hypnosis, advanced form of hypnosis, systemized approach that works for just about anything that could walk into your office, along with 7-path self-hypnosis, the very first antivirus for the human mind. Gets rid of the negative stuff so you can program yourself for success. And let me tell you something. My next class is April 28th through May 4th, 2024. And if you're watching this at some time after that, you can always get my current course schedule on calbanyan.com. And something that's coming up very quickly, Solid Gold Weekend. This is the National Guild of Hypnotists Solid Gold Weekend in Las Vegas, February 24th to the 25th. You can come see me in person, come say hi. And I'm going to go deep, 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 deep into age regression and the new revolutionary time tunneling technique. It's going to be a practical, participating 3.5-hour workshop. And then you got plans for later on this year? Come see me at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention. Go to ngh.net for information about the Solid Gold Weekend, or ngh.net for information about this upcoming convention. I'm going to be talking about 5-path. I'm going to be talking about the time tunneling technique, revolution and age regression, and the secret language of feelings. I'm so looking forward. Remember, leave a comment, subscribe, and I want to see you in class, or I want to see you at the convention, or I want to see you at Solid Gold Weekend. All right, that's it. Like and subscribe. If you have a mind to do it, I always appreciate it. Helps me get the word out. And once again, this is Cal Banyan signing off.